Hello children, so welcome back to our mathematics class, and we are doing now that is chapter number 4 is multiplication and division of large number. As you know, we have completed till the exercise 4.3, and today we are going to start the exercise number 4.4. But before starting the exercise questions, we will know about the division. What is the division operation? And already you have the idea of division, then also once again we will repeat it so that the concept of division clear about you. Okay, so let's see students. So division sign is like this, and actually the division is the repeated subtraction of a number. Okay, and the there are some points or that you have to remember, that is dividend, divisor, quotient, remainder. And do you know what is called the dividend? Actually, the number which being divided is called the dividend, and the number by which we divide is called the divisor. And one more point is the quotient. That is, what do you mean by quotient, students? The answer we get after the division is called the quotient. That means whichever we are getting the answer after dividing a number, that is called the quotient. Okay, and now the remainder, the number which is left after the division is called the remainder. So the number which is left over the division is called the remainder. Fine students. So, and one more things is there to check a division sum is correct or not. There is a formula. That means it is that like dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay students, now we'll see with the example of some division sum that will explain how what is called the divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder. Okay, see here I have, let us take an example. Suppose I have taken here that 39 divided by 3, and how we will write here like this: 39 divided by 3. So by which number we are dividing is called that. So the 3, by 3 we are dividing 39, that so the 3 is called the divisor, and it is called the divisor, and the 39, that means the number which being divided is called the dividend. And as we here 3 1 3 we have divided, so 3 minus 3 we have got 0. Now 9 we will take here 9, so 3 3 ja 9, so 9 we have written here, so 9 no need to give the 0, so 9 minus 9 it will be 0. So this is our result 39. So this 13 is called the quotient, and this 39 is called the dividend. And after dividing we have got here leftover number is, as it is completely divided, so we have got here 0. So this 0 is called the remainder. Okay students, so now how we'll check this sum, this is correct or not? Like this, suppose divisor into quotient, that means divisor means 3 and the quotient is 39, so 3 into 3 plus remainder, so plus remainder means here in this sum 0, so 13 3 into 13 plus 0, so 3 into 13 means 39, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 39 plus 0 we have got here 39. So it is similarly like that, same as the dividend. Dividend is here 39. That means our sum is, that is which one we have done is correct. So like this we can check the sum of a division. Okay students, now now we will discuss about the sum properties of division students. So do you know the properties of division? Already I think you have got in class 3 or 4. Then also once we will see it again. Okay, so let's see. The property number 1 is that is a number divided by 1 gives the same number. That means if we example 3 divided by 1 we'll get 3. Like this you can see here. It is 3 divided by 1. So 1 3 is 3. That's why we will get the same number 3. And same way we can take here one more 3 divided by 3. Then what we'll get? Suppose 3 divided by 3 and 3 1 is 3. So we'll get 1. That we can take this also from there and say here same only for the large number also. If it is 42,875 divided by 1, you will get the same number 42,875. Fine students, now let us see the property number 2. And now that is a number divided by itself gives 1. So whatever I have told here only this point actually it is coming here. So the number divided by itself will get 1. See here, suppose 4 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 we will get. So that's why it is the number giving the 1. And then okay students, now let's see property number 3. If 0 is divided by any number, it gives 0. So see here 0 divided by any number. Suppose I have taken here 9. So we'll get here 0. Okay students. Now see the property number 4. Dividing a number by 0 is meaningless. That means we can divide 0 by any number, we'll get 0. But we cannot divide a number by 0. That we cannot be determined it. See here. So we can write 0 divided by 4. Then we will get 0. But we cannot write here like this. 4 divided by 0. It is the infinity. So that means it cannot be determined the exact number. Okay students, I hope this is clear to you now. So let's start the exercise number 4.4. So our question number 1 is fill in the blanks. We have a number is given 42,870. So a number is 42,870 divided that it is given blank and the answer is given 1. So according to the property just now we have told a number divided by itself we are getting 1 as a question. So here it will be what? That will be the same number. So it means it will be the 42,817. Okay students. So we have just used the property of division. Now let us see the question number B. There is given 3000 divided by 100. So what will be the answer? Students, what will be answer here? 3000, see here, 3000 divided by 100. So 100 if you look is given here 3, 100 3 is 300. Now see here that is 10 is remain. So we have to give here this 0. So it will be 30. So 10 is remaining, that should be 30. And see here 7000 divided by here it is given 10. So what should be here in this the divisor? It will be 7000 and it is 1. So 7 is should be 1 as 7 divided by 7 you will get 1. So that's why it will be one number, it will be 7. And here it is 30. There it is 10. So how many 0 is left? Students, you can take the short tricks. These are the. So how many 0 is left students? 2. As 10 is there 10 in the result, and so there is 3 0 in the dividend. So here it will be 2 0. See here, if we had done like this 7000 divided by, this is also called divided 700, then see 10 10 then 0 and 7 tens are what? 7 tens are 70. So it will be 10. The answer is correct like this. And see here we can do it. Now our question number D is, it is given a number and there it is 0. That means in quotient it is 0. So what should be in the dividend? So as you know, according to the property of division 3, the property number 3, if 0 is divided any number, it gives the 0. So therefore it should be 0. Alright students, so here it will be 0, it will be 700 and this will be 10. And our question number E is given 12,000 divided by a number should be here and the answer is 60. So what should be here? As in quotient. So if it is given like this, 12,000 divided by 60. See here, 6 2 ja 12. All of you know that 0 is there, 20 ja, then 120 is 60 into the 60, then 2 ja 60, 2 ja 120, and one more 0 for this we can give 0, and this one more 0 we can give one more 0 for then it will be same. So that's why it will be what students? 200. As now you can check the answer, your answer is correct or not. See, 60 into 200, what you will get? 6 2 ja, as I have told how we can multiply orally, 6 2 ja 12, and then how many 0 is there? 1 2 3. These 3 0 we have to insert here, then our result will come. So see here, we have got the 12,000. So like this you can do easily this all the filling the blanks. I hope this is clear to you now how to solve the filling the blanks problems. Thank you.